Hi there, welcome to my channel. This is Jabir Hussain and today I'll show you how to cut a background in CorelDRAW. I'll show you the best two techniques of cutting a background as well as I'll show you the real examples of cutting an image. Being a designer, we all know that there are many other photo editing softwares and they work really well for cutting an image like Photoshop. Today in this video, I'll make CorelDRAW cut an image for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. We have opened a software already. This is our workplace. And guys, as I've told you before, that I'll show you best two techniques of cutting an image. The first one is color masking and the second one is trimming. So first we will learn the color masking. Before showing you the example of color masking, let me clear what the color masking is. So let's go to the bitmap. And this is the color masking. So before opening the tab of the color masking, let's import an image. This is our image. This image is really perfect to teach you the color masking. So select the image, go to the bitmap and open the color masking. So here is the tab of the color masking. This is our new window. In this window, there are two options you can see: hide colors, show colors. And here in the left, we have a multicolor image. From this image, you can select any of the color you want to hide. So let's choose the color blue. There are in this image 3 boxes of blue color. You can see this is our color selector. We will select a color with the help of this color selector. So this is our blue color. We will select it. We have picked the blue color successfully. Increase the number you can see over here and now apply it. These colors are completely gone. You can see the miracle over here. Now choose the second color. So this is the golden color I can say. And how many boxes of these colors are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 boxes of the golden colors are here. Select this window, select the color selector and select the golden color. So you can see our color is selected. Increase the number and apply it. Here is the result guys, both colors are hidden. So this is our example of hiding the color. I hope this is clear now. Now move to the show colors. Select the show color. And suppose you want to show the red color. How many boxes of the red colors are here? 1, 2, 3. So basically there are 3 boxes of the red color. So select the red color with the help of selector. So our red color is selected, you can see. And now increase the number. See this. As you can see, it's a show color. Means you want to show this color and other will be hidden. Okay, let's move to the real example. Delete this image. Import an image. So here's the image. So basically this is our image with the green screen. You can see the background is completely green and you want to remove this background and you want this image as your picture. So for hiding this, we will repeat the process as we have done before. Go to the bitmap, select bitmap color mask. Make sure these all boxes are unchecked before starting the process. Select your image first, select the first box, select the color selector and now select the green screen as I am selecting. It is selected. We have increased the number already and apply it. The green screen is completely gone. Now you can do anything with your image. You are free. I need to make a project by this image. So this is our image we are importing here. Down the layer. guys, you know that this is the beauty of graphic designing, that it is completely up to you. You are completely free. Whatever you want to do with your image, just do it. You can type or write anything. I'm writing fly high. Let's change the font. I'm using base 2. So guys, this is our image, and we have used hide color for hiding the green screen from this image. Let's take another example of show the color. Delete all these images. Import an image. I'm importing an image of the Burger King. So this is our logo. All we need to do is to select the image, go to the bitmap, select the color masking, and now click on show colors. We have select this box. Make sure these boxes are unselected. Select the one box, select the color selector, and select this color. We are going to select these colors to be shown. So there are 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are basically 4 colors in this logo. So we want to show these 4 colors and hide the rest of the colors. Select the next one, select the color selector again, select the red one. Select the next box, select the color selector and select the yellow color. The last one, select it, select the white color. These 4 colors are selected. Now all we need to do is select the first color again, increase the numbers 18, 20, okay, and apply it. As you can see, only this color is completely shown and rest of the colors are hidden. So we will select the red one, increase the number to the 20 and apply it. This is the red color over here. We need to decrease the number and apply it. You can see this is hidden. Now let's move to the yellow. Increase the number to the 20 as well. Increase it to the 15 and that's it. So this is our logo and the rest of the background is completely hidden. Now it's time to move to the next technique, that is trimming. First we need to delete it. Import a new image. I'm importing this image. It's a landscape, very beautiful landscape. It's a mountain. As you can see guys, this is a beautiful image of a mountain and this is the sky, this is the mountain, and I want to remove the sky. So select the B-spline. I'm tracing it. I have selected the sky. Now select the shape you have created and hold the shift and select the mountain. This is the trimming option. Click on this and you can see the magic. The sky is completely gone. Now import the sky. I have this beautiful sky. You can use any of yours. So this is the example of trimming. I hope this is clear to you. Let's take another one. Delete it. Import an image. This is the apple and I want to cut this apple from this image. Now create another box. Select both. The shape you have created before and the box. Now trim it. Now select the shape you have created before, drag it out and delete it. Now select the box again and select your image as well. Hold the shift key. Trim it again. Select the box, drag it out and delete it. This is our apple. So guys, you can see this is our image, and in this apple I want to add a bite, an apple bite. Go to the import and I am importing a file. I have this image already, and now place it to the apple and see the magic. This is our apple. Adjust it. I hope it's all clear to you. And if you want more videos from designers, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon as well so that you won't miss any of my video. Thank you for watching this video. Wish you very all the best. Keep creating.